Stop scrolling for a second and imagine this. It's a Sunday morning, you have got your coffee, your favorite book, and the sun is hitting your table just right. But something is missing. It's not just a table mat, it's a piece of art that makes you feel home, feel like a permanent springtime. Today I'm showing you the bouquet collection. These aren't your grandma dollies. We are talking about high texture, 3D floral design that are literally blooming off the table. Whether you are a fellow maker looking for inspiration or you are here to see what's coming to my Etsy and Shopify shop, stay tuned. Because by the end of this, you will see exactly why functional art is the biggest home decor trend of 2026. Let's talk design. The bouquet concept is all about layering. Notice the center of this sunflower mat. We used a heavy puff stitch to give it that tactile shade in the sun look. When you are selling on platform like Etsy, buyers aren't just looking for a placement, they are looking for a conversation piece. That's why I'm moving away from the flat circles. Look at these rosebud borders. Each palette is slightly offset to create movement. Using 100% macronized cotton, give these a slight sheen that looks expensive in photos. It captures the light in a way that acrylic just can't make your Shopify store front look like a high-end boutique. Now just talk about the color. The beauty of a boutique design is the versatility. Think dusty rose, sage greens, and mustard. This is your bread and butter for the category market. For those Shopify customers with minimalist home, a bouquet mat in shades of creams and charcoals add texture without the culture of bright colors. Remember, when you are listing these, you are selling a vibe. Are these for a summer garden party or a cozy winter tea? Show your audience how these mats transform a space. A single mat can be centerpiece, a set of six become a heirloom. If you are watching this because you want to start selling, here is a secret sauce, the story. On Etsy, people buy the maker as much as product. These bouquet mats take times. Each petlet is a choice. Each color changes its decision. In your shop description, mention that these are heat resistant, machine washable, and eco friendly. In a world of mass produced plastic, your crochet is a breath of fresh air. It's sustainable, it's durable, and it's unique. And that is why your customer will be happy to pay a premium for your hard work. So, which one was your favorite? The bold sunflower or the delicate lavender sprig? If you are ready to bring some of the magic into your home, the bouquet collection officially drops this Friday on my Shopify and it's